Hello, today I'm going to be demoing the Waprep tuition portal, Fullstack app. So I'm going to show you what it looks like from the payer side and the admin side. First, I'm going to log in as a payer. I've got just a payer saved here. If you don't have an account, you would go through an account creating process, or an admin would send you the account details. So if I click login, I get a little welcome screen, and then I can look and view my students. And as you can see, I have like 3 students here attached to this payer, and I have a couple bills due. I'm going to show what happens when I get a new bill, but here I can also look at a bunch of payments that I've completed. As you can see, this is the development branch, so I've done just a lot of testing payments here. There's a little profile screen. I'm gonna see. Okay, so yeah, you can go in and look at all of the bills that you have that you've already paid. As you can see, there's a bunch of random names. And then you can see your unpaid bills, stuff that's coming up in the future as well. And if you wanted to go pay, you would go click here. You can put in an amount you want to pay, and then you can look at what bills are overdue, what bills are due this month, future bills, and preview, like looking at what would happen if you paid a certain amount. So if I paid $150, that covers these bills. And then if I go to next, I actually would go here, and then this is where Stripe is used. I would go in here and use Stripe to pay. There's a little bit of information here for legal reasons, and I'd be able to just add a bank account. We're only using bank accounts right now. All the credit cards would be easy to add. Actually, we had credit cards before, but we want to save they want to save the 3% credit card fee. So now I'm gonna see, that's basically the payer side. You're just able to go in, pay for your bills, and see your payment history. Now on the admin side, I'm gonna log in as an admin. I just have a different browser pulled up. If I log in as an admin, this is the one of the students I was looking at. The account I just had was called Payer Last. So here admins can do a bunch of student management. They can attach payers and make different notes, as well as add more students and whatnot. But then if I go over to manage billing, I have a list of all the students along with all of like their paid amounts. So if I can go to like Kurt Schimmel, for example, and I can either add a new bill. Let's go ahead and add a new bill to like a test bill for like $25 on today. Okay, and now we can see, if we go back to the payer side and if I refresh, we now have 175 due by the end of the month. We got just another bill here. So back to the admin side. I can also add a payment here if someone comes in with cash, and so I can make payments that go through manually, and it'll calculate it all automatically here in order of like priority. That's just how the school wanted it built, and I can view for each month, what kind of bills they have, and then what kind of payments they made each month, and manage it all from there. Yeah. Thanks so much.